We have a playground, we have play area. So this is back to 2011 and 12 lah. So there is a company came to us and asked, "Yo, can you come to our company and have a look?" So one of the problems, they use operator to push a trolley. So immediately we said, hey, we can actually build a robot for that. So to our surprise, actually they actually bought another 3 more units, then 10 eventually. So then we think that, hey, actually we can do the business for this one. So that's how we started. So it was founded by me as a lecturer with 2 of my students. So there is a mixture of research and also a mixture of a youngster try to push. I think there is a very good combination in terms of the culture. So if you have a chance to visit DF, you can see we have a playground, we have play area, that kind of a direction. We want to work hard but play smart. So it just happened that all these team that joined DF Automation, they have been represent Malaysia for designing competition for robotics. So they have a very good technical skill. What is our unique selling point? It's easier to program, and we actually design it to be easily customized to a lot of different vertical of businesses. Some of the team that here, they are very, very young, so we have a lot of very interesting and crazy idea, but yet it's a very workable idea. So robotics is a huge business potential. I think it's about 2 billion market size. If you say for the last 10 years, the market is growing steadily, and for the last 2 and 3 years, it's very, very aggressive, especially in Malaysian government or in this region, they push reason being of an Industry 4.0 revolution, and they need robotics. The acceptance of people to work robot is getting better. So in the other word, the market size is getting bigger and bigger. I think every stages we have different challenges. When it first started, only 3 of us, cash flow is a problem, team is a problem. But I like to share is what is our challenge now. We grow the business for a couple of 100,000 revenue, now about 10 of million revenue. So now if you want to move to 15 to 20 million, in the past we thought it's just like you sell more and that's it, but actually it's not that simple. So you need more structure, more things that we still don't know yet what is it. If I want to say maybe the reason what is the greatest achievement that we have that I'd like to highlight is we managed to export the robot to overseas. They were asking, is this robot from Germany? Is it from Japan? They were asking, are you from the university? They're very high level, they treat you this kind of talent. So this is kind of a high satisfaction because we are from Malaysia, we managed to build this. We managed to export to worldwide and we get this kind of very positive feedback. We already there. Right now we are using partner and distributor model. So in Singapore we have about 10 partners. From there we actually exported to a few countries as well. If you ask us this year what is our focus, I would say this year we focus Vietnam, Thailand and Indonesia. Next year we will start looking into Europe, and then the following maybe the America. When we first started, we are very focusing on manufacturing, electronic. There's a lot in Malaysia. Right now, I think e-commerce is something that we're working on, the warehouse. The other vertical business that is huge, that normally used by robotics, is actually automotive, motorcycle, car. So right now, we are also focusing on this one. The new segment that is very interesting and big, but yet not many people doing it, is actually the service for like hospital, family, hotel, and so on. Earlier, as a CEO at that time, I need to look into fundraising, network and investor. Then my second founder actually focusing on the operational to do sales and so on. And the other founder is actually looking towards on the R&D product. My role now is looking more, what should we do for the next 3 years and 5 years? How to brand the company, how to market the company, how to push forward. When this back in 2011-12, the company came to us and said, hey, we got this problem. At that time, we thought this is just one of the side project and finished and done. But along the way, we see there is an opportunity, huge market, and we also foresee that year for the next 3 years, robotics going to increase. So that's why, okay, this is the right direction, go and grab it. I think number one is definitely the attitude because skill can be learned. Attitude is very difficult to learn, and it's not easy to get the right attitude with the same interest. So once we get it, we will just quickly go and take already. Try to understand the direction you want to go, where you want to go, and then after that, approach the company, or when you do the interview, try to share what is your interest. And number one, I think you have to be very, very humble, yet very, very visionary, in the sense of very hungry for success, knowledge. And like I mentioned earlier, attitude is important.